Hi everyone, I'm Zainina. Today I would like to share with you guys about measure of central tendency. Measure of central tendency is a single value that attempts to describe a set of data by identifying a central position within that set of data. Measure of central tendency contains of three central tendency, which is mean, median, and mode. So the first one is mean. Mean is the sum of value of each observation in a data set divided by the number of observations. This is also known as the arithmetic average. It can be used in both discrete and continuous data, although its use is the most often with continuous data. Mean, in other words, is average. So the next one is median. Median is a middle value in a data set that is arranged in ascending order from the smallest value to the largest values. If a data set contains an even number of values, the median of the data set is the mean of the two median values. To determine the median values in the sequence numbers, the numbers must first be sorted or arranged in value order from lowest to highest or highest to lowest. The median can be used to determine the approximate average or mean, but it not be confused with the actual mean. So the next one is mode. Mode is defined the most frequently occurring value in a data set. In some case, a data set may be contain multiple modes, while some data set may not have any mode at all. The numerical value of the mode is the same as that of the mean and median in normal distribution, and it may be very different in highly skewed distribution. The mode is a way of expressing in a usually single number important information about a random variable or a population. Okay, we move to the next step. To calculate mean, median and mode in Excel, I'm using purchase order. And the question is find the cost per order for mean, median and mode. Okay, first step, we find the mean for the cost per order. Okay, we're pressing the formula for mean, type average, and double click and select the entire cost per order by pressing Ctrl Shift at the same time downward button and press enter. Okay, for the median of cost per order, we need to arrange first. So we need to press Ctrl and Shift at the same time, downward button, right click and sort from smallest to largest, and we can calculate the median by pressing equal median and double click and select the entire cost per order by pressing Ctrl Shift at the same time downward button and press enter. Okay, for the mode, we also pressing the equal and type the mode and double click, select the cost per order and Ctrl and Shift at the same time pressing the downward button and press enter. So we get all the answer for mean, median and mode for the cost per order. Okay, we move to the descriptive statistic. Descriptive statistics are a brief descriptive coefficient that are summarize a given data set, which can be either a representation of the entire or a sample of population. Descriptive statistics are broken down into a measure of central tendency and measure of variability, in other words, spread. Okay, we move to the descriptive statistic. If we want to use the descriptive statistic, we need to click at the data and click at the data analysis and search for the tools of descriptive statistics and click OK. So input in here is the question that we use, which is cost per order. Click cost per order and click and pressing Ctrl Shift at the same time downward button for the input range. So we need to click label in the first row, and for the output option we can choose either in the same worksheet or new worksheet, but I prefer to put at the same worksheet because it's easier. We can compare the answer. So I put in here. Okay, so don't forget to put summary statistic, because summary statistic will display the entire summary that we needed. Once we are done, we click OK. Okay, so as we can see, we can compare the answer that data given and the answer that we had done. So if the answer is same with the data analysis, so our answer is correct. So that's all for me. Bye.